How to recover deleted emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can recover deleted emails on Gmail. So recovering your deleted emails on Gmail depends on how long it has been since you deleted them. So if you deleted recently, that is within 30 days, log into your Gmail account just like I've done here. Then move to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, scroll down until you can see the option trash or bin. Alright. By selecting bin, all of the messages that you've deleted within the last 30 days will be displayed there. And locate the deleted email you want to recover. Once you've located the email that you'd like to recover, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three vertical dots. Click on it. Then you can see the option move to. Alright, so select it and then select where you want to move it to. After selecting it, the message will be removed from bin and it will be sent to that particular folder that you've selected. But if you permanently deleted an email, it is unfortunate that Gmail permanently deletes email from the trash after 30 days and they can't be recovered through the standard interface. Alright, so that is it. You can only recover deleted mails within 30 days. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.